Hello, I'm Tanya Vardhan. Currently, I'm investment banking intern at inSAKE Solutions. So today's video presentation topic was that how networking is important for equity research. So the foremost reason would be access to new information. What happens is that when you are undergoing networking, you are able to have connections with a lot of professionals of other companies, and that way you get access to information which may not be easily available through primary sources. So as I said, it is a source of data and analysis. The way it helps is that you are able, since you have connections with people from other companies, that way you get information which is really reliable and it is up to date, and in fact new information we can say. Third is idea generation. So what happens is that when you are in connection with people like experts from other industries or other companies, that way you are able to generate new ideas. In fact, you are able to get insight into some potential investment opportunities which are not widely known yet. Also, when you hold discussions and debates with other researchers, you are able to refine whatever your findings are or whatever your analysis is. Next is validity of research. Of course, when you hold discussions and debates with other researchers, when you share your findings with them, whatever analysis you have done, whatever information you have, definitely you will be able to ensure whether your research is valid or not, whether it is of some importance or it is of importance or not. And the last one would be career advancement. I would say when networking helps equity researchers in career advancement as well. Because when they are, having connections with experts of other industries, it definitely increases their reputation. And not just reputation, it opens up very new opportunities for them, some career opportunities for them. So that's what I understood, that this is how networking is really important in equity research. Thank you.